To swap Trust Wallet Fingerprint login, start by opening the Trust Wallet application on your device. Navigate to the Settings menu, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the Settings icon to access the various options available. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Security section. Here, you will find the Fingerprint Login option. Tap on this option to access the fingerprint settings. If you have already set up Fingerprint Login, you will see the current fingerprint listed. To swap the fingerprint login, tap on the Remove or Delete option next to the current fingerprint. Confirm that you want to remove the fingerprint by tapping Yes or OK. This will delete the current fingerprint from the Trust Wallet application. Next, tap on the Add Fingerprint option to set up a new fingerprint. Follow the on-screen instructions to scan your new fingerprint. You may need to lift and rest your finger on the fingerprint sensor several times to complete the scanning process. Once the new fingerprint has been successfully added, you will be prompted to confirm that you want to use this fingerprint for login. Tap Yes or OK to confirm. The new fingerprint will now be used for login instead of the old one. It is essential to note that you should only use a fingerprint that is secure and not easily accessible to others. Additionally, make sure to keep your device and the Trust Wallet application up to date with the latest security patches and updates. By following these steps, you can easily swap the Trust Wallet fingerprint login and ensure that your cryptocurrency and other digital assets remain secure. Remember to always prioritize security when using cryptocurrency wallets and applications.